Today I'll be showing you how to bake using a stone. So I preheated the stone for like 30 minutes to max temperature. It's really hot. I place it on top here. And now I place my 2 loaves right on top. Make sure to score them like you would do. And then you can just bake them. But while baking, make sure that you are that you are hydrating your oven. That's very important. And it has the same impact as if you would bake with a Dutch oven like this. So sometimes if I'm making more than 1 loaf at the same time, then I prefer this technique because there's a little more space available. Make sure that you remove the steam from the oven after around half the baking time. Happy baking! Here they are, quite happy about the shape. They look excellent. They're a little bit darker here on top, which is perfect, so nice crust. The trick is really to hydrate the oven and to make sure to remove the hydration at half the baking time. Those were in the oven for around 45 minutes, 20 minutes hydrated, and another 20 minutes without hydration at 230 degrees Celsius.